All right, Summer, we are ready for you.
His turn when I roll up, spin around like a donut. Got a feeling that I can't lose. Show it off like it's new shoes. I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
Hey Jeep fam, it's a beautiful sunny day out. It's a little shadowy. I'm sorry for the lighting. I am gonna go take the remainder of the Jeep top off for the first time ever tonight. I've already had the Freedom panels off because it was such a nice day. I'm gonna go up the road. My brother's gonna help me take the rest of the roof off because it's a two-person job. And I've never done it before because I live in Toronto and there's nowhere to store it. So I don't think it's gonna take longer than like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna rush out there now and I'm super excited to go on a cruise tonight and follow along. Let me know if you have any questions. It's my first time, so hopefully it's like a pretty simple explanation. Okay, can you tell I'm excited? I'm like, I can't even talk right now. I've always dreamed of taking my top off, the Jeep's top. You know what I mean? If you're a Jeep person, you'll get that. Okay.
She said, ooh, she told me that she love how I sound, yeah, yeah. Feel like I'm on drugs when she round, yeah, yeah. You been messing with them scrubs in your town, yeah, yeah. Let me show you what this loving about, yeah, yeah. She dripping in that Dolce. Shorty know the street, she going both ways. Hips switch side like slow pace. Loving what I'm seeing, baby, rotate now, rotate, yeah. That body looking so damn right, I've been waiting for you all my life. Good for the real thing, come find it, yeah. And baby girl, I need you. You want the whole thing and need a preview. Let's go, I think of places I should go and you the road, yeah. She said, ooh, so come look at what you wanted. I'll give you just one warning. You don't know.
Got Henry here. He's gonna help me. Brothers are very useful. So now we have to take the top off. It's the last step, so it takes two people to pull it off. You can't do it by yourself. So we're gonna each get on one side, and then from there lift it and take it off, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
His turn when I roll up, spin around like a donut. Got a feeling that I can't lose. Show it off like it's new shoes. I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In the metaphysical.
Yeah, going for a cruise tonight. It took like 20 minutes to take off, which was awesome. The sun is just going down now.
La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?